Hi, this is Lisa from Inspire to Thrive. I wanted to share how to use Rumble on the desktop. It's a little different on mobile, but today I wanted to kind of take you through Rumble. It's a video social media network very similar to YouTube. I find that you can make money a little easier here on Rumble, as you will see. So this is the feed here. When you click, you'll see my feed. Those are things that I liked, that I subscribe to, that you would see there. You can see the subscriptions here. And you have editor's pick, and you also have trending. And there's a lot of funny things on Rumble, like this little dog. And you can see how much money someone's earned from this video.
Most teams use a mix of calendars, emails, and notes lying around the office to organize their work.
Ads, so
this makes it easy.
They don't last long. And this dog was trying to do CPR. And if you like it, you give it what they call a rumble. I already had given it one, so that's how Rumble works, pretty much. And again, you can go under trending if you want to see what some of the trending videos are. You can see this one had 1.8 million views. A lot of them on this particular trending are political, especially now that YouTube is really censoring. They came out with some new censorship today about the election, so there's going to be more folks going over to Rumble. And then you have my Inspire to Thrive here, and I'm going to show you my channel. These are some of the videos I've done. You can see that a couple are monetized and others are still waiting in the wings. Sometimes they have things that are pending. So I'm going to go to my channel, and the name of my channel is Inspire to Thrive. I could not do that up in this area here until I had 10 people subscribe. I have 34 subscribed now. But you have to wait till you have 10 people subscribe, and then you get to have your unique URL for your channel. And so you can see some of the ones I've had here. Not a lot of activity except on this first one I did, over 1,500. I've earned 6 cents so far. Again, that's more than I've ever earned on YouTube. But there are other ways to make money. You can refer folks with your referral link, and people will sign up on your referral, and you can make money that way. And on your mobile device, there's a way to swipe on all the videos, and you can make money that way. They even have a lottery, and last night I won $5. I woke up this morning, I was shocked to see in my earnings that I had $5. It was through tickets. I don't think you can see if it shows why here. Transactions, payment sources. Let's see if that, nope, that's if you had a card. It came through an email, though. It showed it was the $5. This shows some of the video plays, and this is just the past 8 days. You can go, I like always going 30 days to see what's really happening. So see, these are the different things that you can, right here it is. The battle ticket winner. And you can win up to $50. And if your video is shown on the front page of Rumble, you can be paid $100 for that one video. So there's a lot of ways that you can make money here on the Rumble network. So I just wanted to kind of point that out. And uploading your video is very easy and simple, but I do want to show one other thing because I made a very bad mistake when I first started. Let's go to the channels. My channel again. I want to go into an actual video. Let's see. So this is a video here, and you can see I have a little bit of text in here. The more you can add to the description, the better. And I believe you can add links. I haven't done that yet. That's a big mistake, right? Because you can't go back in and edit like you can on YouTube. At least I haven't found how to yet. I've asked, they have a forum, but they've actually had so many people in it, they said it's coming back next week. So it doesn't seem to be any way that you can go in and edit these. So just make sure when you upload your video that you have all your text here. And if you have a blog post or something, you may want to add that. So that's something I had not done yet, but I'm going to be doing with this video. So something you always can learn from me. Every time I make a mistake, I turn it into a lesson. So again, you can see right here, I could cash out if I wanted, but I'm going to leave it for a while. You can also make money with YouTube if you want to do both. So depending on what type of videos you're doing, there's all different ways. And I'm going to be exploring them more in upcoming videos. I'm also going to be having a blog post to explain how to use the mobile version, because there's a lot of cool things with the mobile version that you can do as well. So I just wanted to give you a look at Rumble, at the different things you can do. You can see all the top videos at the top here. And there's all different, there's the viral, you got the podcast, you got news, and you can see how much these folks have actually earned on there as well. You have the editor picks, you can even have your discussions. That's pretty much it. And like I said, it's real simple to upload. You just hit that button, you upload it. There's the title, description, the thumbnail. The thumbnail is the same size as YouTube, so make sure you create something cool for that. And again, you can pick what channel, if you can put no channel or to your channel. I may do a dog video that's not on my channel. So it's very simple to use. I hope this has been helpful and that you now understand what all the Rumble is about. Make it a great day.